Hello guys, in this video I will show you how I built this dashboard basically, which is helping me for my YouTube content, and it actually updates every day. Okay, it gets updated every day by OpenClaw, of course, by using Opus in the back. Okay, so I will show you how I built this basically. So I basically went ahead and asked OpenClaw like help me out, okay, with my YouTube channel, with my YouTube content. And then the OpenClaw told me basically you can build a dashboard where you can have all these ideas, okay, and I can even go back, okay, in the history, okay. For example, when everything gets updated, okay, every day, okay, so I still want to see the history because maybe there are a few things I couldn't cover because of some reason, okay. So you can see this is a nice dashboard it has built where I can actually go and see all these ideas and with their actually score with the score system, okay. Like for example, DeepSeek V4 launches today. First look at the Claude killer, okay. So at the moment this is 10 by 10, so means this is a must video to be to be make, okay. And also, I built an AI agent that runs my YouTube channel full breakdown, okay, 9 by 10. Okay, so this is also a good idea. So the trend radar, okay. So this is basically DeepSeek V4 launch, agentic engineering, Claude versus GPT coding, Samsung Galaxy AI, OpenClaw agent. So as you know, these are the top trending topics at the moment. So every single day I will know like what is trending, and every single day I will know what videos to make, so I don't have to go and always research what to make and what not. I have basically a proven system which I can cover, okay. So I mean, this is amazing, okay. So if I go down, this is how it works. AI scores trending topics, okay. Editor generated video with concepts, right, powered by OpenClaw. So I mean, this is amazing. I mean, and I can show you as well. For example, if you know how to build this, how to actually install OpenClaw and all that. So I actually use Ubuntu, okay, on Windows 11. So in this video here, I did show you how to do that. Okay, you can go to my channel and you can watch this. Okay, and then you will know actually how to configure and install OpenClaw in your Windows PC, or if you are using Linux Ubuntu, you will know how to do it. Okay. So also another thing I want to show you basically is I can always go back and see the history. As you can see here, I got a timetable, not timetable, but a date picker. Okay. So where I can go and click and I can always go back and see what happened on a specific date, what was the trending topic or something. So you can see yesterday what was trending or what was in open class mind or whatever. Okay, so is Claude Opus 4.5 deep dive, is it worth the hype? So I mean, this is now an old topic, okay, so it's not really trending. So I automated my entire YouTube channel. Okay, so that's good. Okay, 8 by 10, but I think this is a very good. This can be a great video. GPT-5 rumors. What we know so far. Build a Discord board with Claude in 20 minutes. This can be a very good video. Why I quit my job to build AI products. Okay, I mean, I haven't quit my job yet, but when I do, I will definitely do it. But yeah, I can't do it if I don't do it. So I think, yeah. So if I can go back like on the 14th of February, so Valentine Day special AI love letter generator. So I mean, I can build this and then I can cover it. I can make a video of it. How basically I can do it. I didn't do all this, okay. And this is because I just built this one today. So actually, I asked OpenClaw to actually give me a history date picker kind of system, okay. So this one, it has generated, okay, just to, so I can go back and check, okay, how it works. So from today, this will be like every single day, I will get more ideas. I mean, this is amazing. Okay, so the other thing is local LLMs in 2026. So I think this is a very good topic, hot topic at the moment. Okay, local LLMs. Okay, because people want to save cost. People want to run their agents 24/7 without using Opus or Codex or whatever to save the cost. Okay, how to fine tune your own AI model, beginner guide. Okay, this can be a very good one. And the rise of AI agents. Okay, what every developer needs to know. I built a SaaS in 24 hours using AI only. This is also a very good topic. So what was trending 2 days ago? Olama updates. AI agents, Wallenstein's AI, local LLMs, fine tuning. So this was everything was trending, and you can always come back to my YouTube channel. I try my best to make a video every single day, and if you really want to update, to get updates, latest updates, what I'm doing, you can subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, so I really like this one, and I will be building another system actually to come up with the similar concepts. Okay, a dashboard like this where I can get all the updates. Okay, so far I am thinking, I am planning, basically not thinking anymore, I'm planning to get the Raspberry Pi, and I like to have my agent on it. Okay, so basically you see, when you use a computer, you have to turn it on 24 hours, okay, 24/7, which is okay, but I mean, it's not always convenient to do that. So I'm thinking to have a Raspberry Pi with the SSD and with a power bank, okay, with a very small little tiny power bank, and it can run at least 20 hours. So I mean 24 hours, 24/7, not 20 hours. But what I'm saying is I want to build a system where if I'm outside or I'm at work, I can always come back and it is on, and then from there I can take it on and make sure it never stands off. Okay, something like this. But maybe I will come up with a very good concept. So if you want to watch out for that video, because I will cover every part of it when I make a Raspberry Pi OpenClaw system in place. Okay, so I will cover everything. Okay, so if you want to watch that part out, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please leave me a comment in the comment box. And thank you very much for watching, and let me know what you guys think. This is amazing. This is amazing. Okay, thank you.